Good morning to all of you. Before we will take question 6 onward, we will be having few identity over here, that is sine minus theta. Sine minus theta is always minus sine theta, and its corresponding trigonometric term, that is cosec minus theta, will also be minus cosec theta. And cos minus theta is cos theta and tan minus theta is minus tan theta. आपको ये याद रखना होगा. Somewhere in the questions you will get this concept. Means sine minus theta. If we will talk about sine minus 45 degree, so it will be minus sine 45 degree. And if it is cos minus 180 degree, cos minus 180 degree, it will remain as cos 180 degree according to this concept. Okay. Now, first question number 6. 760 degree. 765 डिग्री साइन 765 डिग्री. अब हमें 765 डिग्री को वी हैव टू स्प्लिट अप in either 360 degree form, 90 degree, 180 degree or 270 degree form. And if you will see, this is 2 into 360 degree, okay, plus 2 into 360 degree is 720 degree plus 45 डिग्री प्लस 45 डिग्री. तो हमने क्या किया, 765 डिग्री को हमने इस फॉर्म में स्प्लिट अप कर दिया. 360 डिग्री, इफ वी विल गो फ्रॉम हियर फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, इफ वी विल गो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज 360 डिग्री टू टाइम्स, then again we will come over here like one rotation and then second rotation. We will come over here. अब उसमें क्या है, 2 times of 360 degree plus 45 degree. Now same concept we have to use it in this also, in which quadrant it lies and other things, and plus 45 degree. So first thing हमें ये find out करना है in which quadrant this lies. So according to this, 2 times 360 degree means here and then plus 45 degree. So it will lie in the first quadrant. Now in first quadrant all of them are positive. Okay, अब यहाँ पे 360 degree लिखा है and we have already done this concept. In 360 degree there will be no change, so this it will be positive and sine will remain sine, and this is theta, so it will become sine theta, sine 45 degree. And sine 45 degree is what it is, 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So you will put its value as 1 by root 2. Is it clear? Question 7th. In question 7th, it is given cosec minus theta. As I have told it here, cosec minus theta, cosec is related to sine, isn't it? So cosec minus theta will be minus cosec theta according to this. So it will be minus cosec 1410. अब हमें 1410 को again we have to split up. अब अगर हम split up करते हैं 360 into 4, we will get it as 1440 minus 30 degree करेंगे, we will get 1410. Now what should be the first thing which you have to see, that in which quadrant it lies. अब देखते हैं, 4 times 360 degree, 4 times rotation 360 degree, we will come over here, okay, on this line. minus 30 degree, so minus 30 degree बोल रहा है, 360 यहाँ आ गया and minus, so it will lie in 4th quadrant. So this part lies in 4th quadrant. Okay, so first thing what we have seen it, that in which quadrant it lies. अब देखते हैं, in 4th quadrant cos and sec positive, and this is cosec, so it will be negative. 1 minus sign is already there, so it will become minus and minus will become positive. अब 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta, so 360, in 360 there will be no change, so it will be cosec, cosec will remain as cosec, so cosec 30 degree, you will get it as cosec 30 degree. So cosec 30 degree, what it should be? 2. Sin 30 degree का convert, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, so cosec 30 degree is 2. Clear? Now, in question 8, look here, what it is? 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करके देखते हैं, it will come as 6 point something. Okay, so it means 6 pi plus कितना और उसमें ऐड करें, it will become pi by 3. 6 pi and pi by 3. आप 360 का भी कंसेप्ट ले सकते हैं, you will get the same answer. So 6 pi plus pi by 3. Pi degree 6 times and pi by 3. Let's go for this. 6 pi means, देखिए, pi degree means 180 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You will get over here. आप इसको 360 फॉर्म में भी कर सकते थे. So again you are coming on this, isn't it? 6 pi plus pi by 3. Plus pi by 3 means first quadrant. So this lies in first quadrant. First quadrant. अब हमें क्या देखना है? Since it is 180 degree, 180 degree mar, according to the concept, on 180 degree there will be no change, and it is all positive. In first quadrant, all positive. So all positive, and in 180 degree there will be no change. So tan will remain tan. So it will be tan. This is theta, tan pi by 3. So tan pi by 3 means tan 60 degree, that is root 3. Okay. Now come to the next question. Look at question 9. In question 9, it is given sine minus theta. Sine minus theta. So observe here. Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. So minus sine theta. So it will become minus sine 11 pi by 3. ये हो जाएगा. Okay. Now we will go for the split up. Minus sine 11 pi by 3. अब 11 pi by 3, if you will look over here, इसको कैंसिल करेंगे, you will or if you will distribute this thing, so 2 into 2 pi means 360 degree into 2, 720 minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. So you will get this answer. 11 pi by 3 को हमने split up कर लिया. Okay. So you can split up in the 180 degree form also. Hardly it will make any difference. You will get the same answer. So minus sine theta. So what we have to see first, that in which quadrant it lie. Okay. हमें सबसे पहले quadrant देखना है. So 2 into 2 pi. 2 pi means 360 degree. So 360 degree 2 times. So again we will come over here. Minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. So in which quadrant it lies? Minus pi by 3. So it lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive. And this is sine. So it will be negative. तो सबसे पहले हमारा नेगेटिव साइन लग गया. ये नेगेटिव साइन ऑलरेडी है एंड इस क्वाड्रेंट का नेगेटिव साइन वी विल पुट इट. Now it is 360 degree. In 360 degree there will be no change. ठीक है. So it will be sine pi by 3. Sine pi by 3. Now sine pi by 3 or sine 60 degree equal root 3 by 2. So minus minus will become plus. So it will become root 3 by 2. Okay. So we have substituted the value of sine 60 degree. Question 10th. In question 10th, this is cot minus theta. Cot is related to tan. So it will be minus cot theta. Minus cot theta. अब we will go for this split up. So it will be minus sign here. Okay. So put minus sign. Now we have to see this lies in which quadrant. 2 into 2 pi minus pi by 4. Split up karenge, you will get this answer. So 2 pi means 360 degree 2 times. Again it will come over here minus pi by 4. So again it lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant. It lies in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant cos and sec positive. So it will be negative. तो हमने नेगेटिव साइन डाल दिया. दिस नेगेटिव इज ऑलरेडी देयर. हमने क्वाड्रेंट के अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव पुट द साइन ओवर हियर. अब 360 डिग्री, अगेन इन 360 डिग्री देयर विल बी नो चेंज. सो इट विल रिमेन एज cot, this is theta. So cot pi by 4. So minus minus will become plus. Cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 means 45 degree and this is 1. So I hope that you have understood the concept. So हमें क्या करना है in these questions? First we will split up in the proper form of these degree. Then we will see in which quadrant it lies. उस quadrant के accordingly we will put the positive or negative sign. And then we will see whether it is 90 to 70 degree or 180 360 degree. Accordingly we will put the we will change the trigonometric terms. Okay, so this thing you will keep it in mind, then only you can able to do the questions quite well. Thank you and have a nice day.